To live a life of a king's size, your desire should be peanut size. Give away in a Hulk size, so that you shall be praised by all wise. Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters and guests, he makes a movie and the show starts at 5 p.m. He makes a style and the world follows it. He makes a move and it becomes a trend. The person has changed his life from the bus conductor to a superstar. He has touched not only my heart but my soul and has been inspiration to people of all generations. The aroma of popcorn, the thirst quenching thumbs up, with whistle podu of the audience, those scenes dazzled my mind. Popcorn in my mouth was floating in a liquid gas and suddenly melted at once. I was perplexed, petrified, terrified for knowing only a little bit of Tamil. I wanted to understand everything properly, but the movie Linga projected, pouring powerful thoughts in my mind and inspired me a lot. My eyes were wet all of a sudden. I looked left, right, and straight, if anyone was looking at me at all. And suddenly my eyes started flooding. And I got scared. It was an emergency situation. I had to wipe my tears off. Because male adults do not cry in public. The brave king who had planned to go against the British officers, the superstar Rajnikant, with all his desire to reach his goal of constructing a dam, and he achieved it in a process. There were many hurdles in between, but he was courageous, compassionate, and calmly he worked with the villagers. He did it finally, and after some time, for completing the dam, he had to give away all his wealth. So, after giving away his wealth, he was ostracized and humiliated in front of public for some misunderstanding happening. After a long time, when he had nothing, and he was being found by some villagers in a state as a cooker, he said that the villagers started crying. They're like, "What's happened to you, sir? You were a king, now you're a cook." And his statement was that, you don't know. His statement was that, in serving food, I get delighted, and I'm very happy for it. This statement touched every part of my body. He's like, it's not required to be a king. To be a king, it's not required that you have to have a lot of wealth and good health and people have to follow you. In every state of mind, you can become a king. So after that statement inspired me so much that I started following. I got deeply inspired by him. Then I started following his footsteps. And I retrospected, and thought about how king in each of us have the thoughts to express. I'd like to conclude by saying that we have a king in each of us and we shall do good deeds. Thank you.